Hi boys and girls, welcome to lesson 10.4. Today we're going to be talking about multi-stepped measurement problems. So let's take a look at our first one. A leaky faucet in Jared's house drips 2 cups of water each day. After 2 weeks of dripping, the faucet is fixed. If it dripped the same amount each day, how many quarts of water dripped from Jared's leaky faucet? Now remember that multi-step problems means that it's going to be more than one step. So if you would just do one equation today, then we probably know our answer is incorrect because it's a multi-step problem. So let's find our important information. We know that it drips 2 cups each day. So that means on the first day it drips 2 cups, the second day it drips 2 cups, the third day it drips 2 cups, and so on. We know that it does that for 2 weeks. So we're going to have to think about what 2 weeks actually means. I know that each week has 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So 2 weeks would then be 14 days. So I might make a note of that here. And then it says how many quarts of water dripped from Jared's leaky faucet. Well, I remember that they gave me the amount in cups, and I need my answer to be in quarts. So at some point in my problem, I'm going to have to change from cups to quarts. So the first thing I need to do is I need to figure out how much water in total dripped over the 2 weeks. So I know that it dripped 2 cups every day. So this is my step 1. It dripped 2 cups every day, and it did that for how many days? Well, it says 2 weeks, and remember I said 2 weeks is 14 days. So I'm going to do 2 times 14. 2 times 14, I can do 14 plus 14, or I could set up a multiplication equation. I know that 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So it looks like it dripped 28 cups of water over the entire 2 weeks. But that's not all. For my second step, remember I need to get from cups to quarts. Now, on your conversion chart, there isn't a direct link between cups and quarts, but there is between pints and cups and pints and quarts. So I'm going to pull up another board here to show you what that could look like. So I looked on my conversion chart and I found that 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. Remember it said that Jared's faucet leaked 28 cups of water. So I'm going to put that up here. So as I am counting, I'm looking for my cups to get to 28 so that it could tell me how many pints it's equal to. So remember, 1 pint is 2 cups. 2 pints is 4 cups. So over here I'm going up by ones. Over here I'm going up by twos. So 3 is 6, 4, 8, 5, 10, 6, 12, 7, 14, 8, 16, 9, 18, 10, 20, 11, 22, 12, 24, 13, 26, 14, 28. So I got to my 28 cups that I need, and that's equal to 14 pints. But remember, they didn't want our answer to be in pints, they wanted it to be in quarts. So I'm going to take my 14 pints over here because I know that 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. So remember, I want to get to a total of 14 pints because 14 pints is equal to 28 cups that I need. So 1 quart is 2 pints. 2 quarts is 4 pints. 3 quarts, 6 pints. 4 quarts, 8 pints. Noticing that I'm just counting up by twos, right? Because it's 2 pints, 2 more pints in each one. 5 quarts is 10 pints. 6 quarts is 12 pints. 7 quarts is 14 pints. Ooh, and 14 pints is what I needed because 14 pints and 28 cups are the same thing. What that then tells me is 7 quarts is equal to 14 pints, and 14 pints is equal to 28 cups. So 7 quarts and 28 cups are also equal. So to answer the question, Jared's faucet leaked 7 quarts of water.